Thank you. Thank you so much. Now, this next song isn't strictly Celtic. It's technically an English folk song, but it's a beautiful song, and it follows along with the ghost theme. In this case, the ghost is what happens when the loved one dies, and the one left behind can't get over it. The one left behind is mourning on their lover's grave for a year, and finally the ghost appears to them and says, "You've got to move on, dude. Let me sleep." Called the Unquiet Grave. Cold blows the wind upon my true love. Soft falls the gentle rain. Oh, I never had but the one true love, and in greenwood she lies slain. I'd do as much for my true love as any young man may. I'll sit and I'll mourn all on your grave for a 12-month and a day. When the 12th month and the day had passed, the ghost began to speak. Oh, who is it that sits all on my grave and will not let me sleep? 'Tis I, your own true love, that sits all on your grave. I ask just one kiss from your sweet lips, and that is all I crave. Oh, my lips, they are as clay, my love. My breath is earthy strong, and if you should kiss my clay cold lips, your life would not be long. Look down into yonder garden fair, love, where we used to walk. The fairest flower that ever bloomed has withered unto the stalk. Stalk it has withered and died, my love. So will our hearts decay. So make yourself content, my love, until death calls you away. Thank you.